you know that I can tell you how you can get 250,000 naira for free right here in Nigeria or from any part of Nigeria that you are watching me from? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Kemi of Help Hustle. If you're new to this channel, please do watch, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you, because we create interesting and valuable content on how you can improve your financial status on this channel. Hey, you see this gist I'm about to share with you guys. Hey, it is a banger because nobody will share it. This is a free money coming directly from World Bank. Whether you like it or not, as long as you are in Nigeria, you have access to this money. Yes, you heard me. Now, this particular free money is actually for individuals in Nigeria above 18 years of age. If you know that you are above 18 years of age, this free money is for you. Now, it is not only 250,000 naira. You can get as low as 20,000 naira. It means that you don't even need a lot of stress or criteria to get free 20,000 naira from the federal government. You can get 20,000 naira, you can get 50,000 naira, you can get 100,000 naira, you can get 200,000 naira, you can get 250,000 naira with this website I am about to share with you. Now, this money is actually for small business owners. You understand? If you're a small business owner and you're looking for money to either help yourself, maybe buy goods, employ more hands, buy more materials, to upscale your business, this particular website is a go-to for you. Or you just have any new idea, you're just thinking about the idea now and you need maybe something around like 200k or 250,000 naira, just come on this website that I'm about to share with you and sign up. Now, if you don't even need the money at all and you know somebody in Nigeria or a friend in Nigeria that actually needs this particular money, you can actually come on this website and sign up to start making money. So there are tips I need to share with you if you're looking to apply for this free money. You get it? Now, you need to register your business. If you're looking to get the free money of at least 200 to 250,000 naira, if you do not want up to that amount, you don't need to register your business. But if that is the type of amount that you want, you need to first register your business. Yo, beautiful people, if you have not signed up to our channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, sign up, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video and share. And also let me know where you're watching us from so that I will be able to create content on free money that you can get from your state or from wherever you're watching us from. So this particular money is actually allocated state by state by the federal government. You get, if you are in Abuja, there is a link that you can use to apply to those in Abuja. If you are in Lagos, there is a link that you can use to apply to those in Lagos. If you are in Ibadan, there is a link that you can use to apply for those in Oyo State. Now, if you are in Jos, Kano, Jigawa, there are links that you can use to apply for this particular money in different states. You understand? So I'll be leaving the link to the website in the comment section of this video. You can click the link. The name of the website is called NG Cares, which is Nigerian Government Cares. You understand? It is more like the COVID-19 fund that was actually issued to some people here in Nigeria, although not everybody got the COVID-19 fund. But then again, this one also is more like the COVID-19 fund that was issued here in Nigeria. So if you have to apply, the requirements depends on your state. You understand? Please, if you are in Lagos, do not go and apply from Abuja because they use your details and your location. You get? So if you are in Lagos, you apply in Lagos and the application is free of charge. You understand? Wherever you are in Nigeria, the application is free of charge. Now, if you are a government worker, please, this application is not for you unless you know someone who is self-employed or idle and needs such amount of money. You can actually share this video with them. But if you are a government worker, because of your BVN, you cannot apply to this particular free website. With that being said, guys, if you like this type of video, please do what to hit the subscribe subscribe button, like this video and share, and I'll make sure I drop the link to this ngcares.ng website in the comment section. It will be the first link in the comment section. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.